Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us start with the exercise 4.5 practical geometry. Friends, if you want to study the complete mathematics of standard 8, then consider subscribing my channel. Let us construct the exercise 4.5. First one, the square READ with the side RE as 5.1 centimeters. Let us see. So we know it is a square, therefore it will be all the sides equal. READ, this is 5.1 centimeters. For a square also we know that all the angles are right angles and all the sides are equal, 5.1. So we will construct, we will take 5.1 centimeters RE 5.1 centimeters and we will construct a 90 degrees angle at both the sides. First is 60 degrees arc, then second one is 120. There are 60 degrees between 60 and 120, so we'll bisect it, we'll get 90 degrees, that is 60 plus 30 is 90. So this is the bisector of the angle and we get 90 degrees. So we will join these 2 points R and a point of intersection, that is bisector. Again from E we will construct a 90 degrees angle. This is 60 degrees and (120 degrees). We will bisect this 60 and 120. So this is again a 90 degrees angle from point E to this one. This is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. This is 5.1 centimeters and we will take 5.1 centimeters the sides and we can (5.1 centimeters) and this is 5.1 centimeters. So we will join this. So this is the required square. So this is 5.1 centimeter, 5.1 centimeter and this is 5.1 centimeter. So this is the required construction. We can write down the steps of construction. That is, first one, what we have done, we have taken RE as 5 centimeters. Then second step, we have take angle E and angle R as 90 degrees, use protractor. Then take 5.1 centimeters from E and put an arc here. From here you put an arc again and join the points RE, A and D and then join the points AD. So these are the points of construction. Go on to the second question. Draw a rhombus whose diagonal is 5.1 2 centimeters and 6.4 centimeters. As it is a rhombus, we can see the rhombus has got all the four sides equal. We can take this as a diagonal. No name is given, we can give the name P, Q, R. Yes, we will take this as 6.4 and this as 5.2. We can start with any one, as these are equally divisible, that is 6.2 you can divide into 2 and 5.2 also, and necessarily the diagonals have to be at a right angle with each other. So we will take 5.2 and we will take a bisector, that is P R is 5.2 centimeters, and we will take the bisector of this exactly at the center, so that if it is more than half, it's enough. So this way, and we can, this is a perpendicular bisector, both the diagonals are at 90 degrees with each other. So we will take 3.2 centimeters on this side and this is 3.2 centimeters, so that it forms 6.4 centimeters. Half of it is 3.2 centimeters. So we will take half on this side. Although the sides are not given, it is not required also, but we will get all the four sides equal. So this is Q, point Q, here it is, and this is the point S. So this is 6.4 and this is the point, okay, yes. So we will join this. So these are all the four sides equal. You can see this, all four sides are equal. So this is a rhombus. So we can write the steps of construction. I will tell them orally, you can write it down in your own language. Take PR equal to 5.2 centimeters. This you can write down. PR. Then second step, take a perpendicular bisector to PR and join it. Then take 3.2 centimeters from the center, we will say O, and we will put an arc on the diagonal, that is up and down, that is 3.2 up and 3.2 down. So this will be 6.4 as the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So you will get a diagonal, and then from them you join PS, PQ, QR and SR. These are the steps of constructions. So next one, as we have done many constructions, we have done it a little bit fast. So next one is the rectangle with the adjacent sides of length 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. More or less we can draw a rough diagram. Say we will give X, Y, Z and A. This is the name. So this is a rectangle with the adjacent side, means one of the sides is 5 centimeters and this is 4 centimeters. It necessarily means this is 5 and this is 4, at the same time this is a right angle. So we will draw this 5 centimeters line So this is x, y, and we'll take a 90 degrees angle from both the sides. Take an arc from here, 60 degrees, and 60 degrees, 120. So bisect this. So this is a 90 degrees angle. Again we will construct this also. $60 degrees and 120, and we'll take the bisector. And we will join both the sides. And take 4 centimeters from both the sides. This is 4 centimeters. Again this is 4 centimeters. So this is 5 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters. XY, this is Z point and this is A. So we will join this. This is 5 centimeters. So this is a required construction. You can write down the steps of constructions. Again, steps of construction. First, take XY equals to 5 centimeters line segment. Then from X and Y take 90 degrees using compass. Then from X take 4 centimeters on the ruler and mark a arc on the line 90 degrees and you will get a point A. Then from Y take again 4 centimeters, mark an arc on the angle 90 degrees, you will get the point Z. You mark A and Z, and that is the required construction. We will go to the next one, that is draw an parallelogram OKAY. OK is equal to 4 centimeters and KA is 4.2. So we will take a small diagram just to understand or proceed according to that. OKAY. OK is 5.5 centimeters, KA is 4.2 centimeters. So this is the thing required. So parallelogram means opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. So we will take opposite sides equal. This is 5.5 and this is 4.2. When the sides are equal, the angles are also equal. Parallelogram, it means we will take 5.5 centimeters so this is OK K, this is 5.5 centimeters. This is 60 and this is 120. Then bisect 60 and 120. You will get 90 degrees. Again from this side also, this is 60 degrees and this is 120, and bisect 60 and 120 and you will get 90 degrees. So this is a 90 degree angle. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal. So we will take 4.2 centimeters from here and 4.2 centimeters on the other side also. So we can see from here 4.2 centimeters here also. We will join them. So this is 4.2 centimeters, this is 4.2 centimeters, and this is 5.5. So this is OKAY. Again the steps of construction. Steps of construction. The first step, take OK, a line segment of 5.5 centimeters from K, and also from O construct a 90 degrees angle using the protractor. Then take 4.2 centimeters on a ruler and put an arc on the angle, that is angle K, 90 degrees, and then again from O take 4.2 centimeters and put an arc on angle O equals to 90 degrees and join O and Y and A. So that these are the steps of construction. I hope you have understood today's constructions and problems very well. Make sure you subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends and classmates. See you all with the next video and the next construction with the new problems. Thank you.